7 new gadgets, 2025, you can buy on Amazon Rocket today. We're showcasing 7 brand new gadgets that you can buy right now on Amazon. From cutting-edge smart tech to game-changing tools for your daily life, these gadgets are must-have for tech enthusiasts. Let's dive in. 7 new gadgets, 2025, you can buy on Amazon. 1. AI-powered desk assistant description. This compact desk gadget combines artificial intelligence, AI, and the Internet of Things, IoT, to create the ultimate productivity tool. Designed to fit seamlessly into your workspace, this device integrates with your smart devices and applications to provide real-time assistance. Key features: task management, automatically organizes your schedule, sets reminders, and tracks deadlines. Smart home integration, syncs with your smart devices to adjust lighting, temperature, or music to match your mood and energy levels. Voice-activated commands, powered by advanced natural language processing, this assistant understands complex requests and can hold conversations. Real-time transcription, ideal for meetings and brainstorming sessions, it transcribes spoken words into text in seconds. 2. Wearable Health Analyzer. The Wearable Health Analyzer takes fitness tracking to a whole new level. With advanced sensors and real-time analytics, this sleek gadget provides unparalleled insights into your physical well-being. Key features: blood sugar monitoring. A non-invasive sensor tracks glucose levels, making it ideal for those managing diabetes or blood sugar concerns. Hydration tracker, monitors hydration levels and sends reminders to drink water. Fatigue analysis, alerts you when your energy levels drop, suggesting rest or nutritional solutions. Sleep insights, tracks sleep quality and provides personalized tips to improve your rest. 3. Smart air purifier with AR description. Breathing clean air has never been more important, and the smart air purifier with augmented reality, AR, makes it effortless. This innovative purifier not only cleans your air but also uses AR to display real-time air quality metrics. Key features: AR interface, displays air quality data and filter status through an interactive augmented reality interface on your smartphone or AR glasses. Customizable filters, tailor the purification process to target allergens, smoke, or specific pollutants. Voice control, compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and other smart assistants for hands-free operation. Energy efficient, automatically adjusts power consumption based on room conditions. Use cases: urban homes, combat pollution and allergens in densely populated areas. Families with allergies, create a safer indoor environment for allergy sufferers. With this purifier, you can transform your home into a sanctuary of clean air, all while staying connected through cutting-edge technology. 4. AI-powered refrigerator assistant description. Say goodbye to food waste and meal planning stress with the AI-powered refrigerator assistant. This compact device attaches to any refrigerator and uses AI to manage your grocery inventory. Key features: expiry tracking, alerts you when food items are nearing their expiration date. Recipe suggestions, provides meal ideas based on the ingredients available in your fridge. Auto reordering, syncs with your Amazon account to reorder essentials when you're running low. Food freshness scanner, uses advanced sensors to detect spoilage. Use cases: busy families, keep track of groceries and streamline meal preparation. Individuals living alone, reduce food waste and simplify grocery shopping. This gadget ensures you never forget what's in your fridge while helping you maintain a more sustainable lifestyle. 5. Solar-powered backpack with wireless charging description. This eco-friendly backpack is a must-have for anyone on the move. Equipped with solar panels and wireless charging pads, it's perfect for charging devices anywhere, anytime. Key features: solar panels, harness solar energy to power your devices sustainably. Wireless charging, built-in pads support multiple devices simultaneously. Lightweight design, despite its advanced features, the backpack is comfortable to carry. Durable materials, water-resistant and sturdy enough for outdoor adventures. Use cases: travelers, charge gadgets during long journeys or hikes. Digital nomads, stay powered up while working remotely. Eco-conscious consumers, reduce reliance on traditional charging methods. With this solar-powered backpack, you can travel with confidence, knowing you'll never run out of battery again. That wraps up our list of 7 amazing gadgets for 2025, available now on Amazon. Shopping cart, which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech finds. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.